Hey loves! Today I'm going to show you how you can get your free review copy from StoryOrigin. In this case, The Art of Herbal Healing. Okay? So this is what you're gonna get, alright? So you come to our group or wherever you have the link, you click the link, and then you see this. This is the page, this is our book that you want to download. That's the publishing date of Friday, March 19th. So you have to get your review ready by then and mark your calendar so you can leave it when it's published. All right. So you request a review copy. You create an account. So I'm gonna write Adrian, my name and my email, and set up an author profile. No, and create account. All right. So once you have created an account, it says, please confirm your email. You go to your inbox. So let's go to my inbox. There you go. I just got in the mail to confirm my StoryOrigin account. So I'm going to confirm my email right here. So now that my account has been confirmed, if you want to check out the sample, you can check out the sample right here. It takes you to this new tab. And you can download whatever you like, whatever you prefer. So there's the EPUB version, there's the PDF, there's, whatever you like. So let's say I want to download the PDF version. That's what I prefer, mostly. So that is going to download right here. There you go. And let it download. And then you can open the sample up and you can read through. And if you like it, then you can proceed to the next step. So what sites do you intend to leave the review on? Of course, Amazon is a priority, so you can do that. And then it's requesting for your Amazon account, so the author can see when you leave your review, okay? So we click need help on finding this, and then it shows you this link right here. We can click that and get that link that it's requesting, all right? So we click this link, and then it takes us to our Amazon account. And if you're not logged in, you can log in and then click that link again. And this is my Amazon account. So you just copy this link right there, and then you paste it. And then you paste it right here in this little bar. Okay. Have you read the sample? Let's open the sample up. So this is the sample. And let's say you take your time, you read through it, and we can click yes, and then you click I understand, because the author will be able to see your reviewer stats, so we can see who's just getting the free copies and not giving back any review. It's optional, of course, but if there's a person who's just getting free reviews or free copies and leaving no reviews ever, then we might be able to not allow them. So let's say I request review copy. All right. So I requested that, and the author has to accept now. So I'm going to accept myself as the author. Let's say, okay, I'm just accepting myself. You can't see this probably, but now I've accepted myself. And then we're going to receive an email when the author is accepted. There you go. So the author has accepted you. So follow this link. This is in your email. You click this link, and then you land on this website, and then you view download options. And now you can download from there. Okay, there you go. Now you can download the full book, whatever format you prefer. All right. So when you have read through the book, you just review it and then paste your review, and you submit. And when the book is published, you will get an email on 19th of March for this particular book, and you just copy this review and paste it on Amazon. You will get a link here later on. All right. So I've shown you how you can download your free review copy through StoryOrigin. Have fun learning. Good luck. Bye-bye.